Hey everyone, welcome to Get Up and Move, your go-to series for quick, fun, and effective 3 to 5 minute movement sessions that you can do anytime, anywhere, within reason, of course. You don't need any equipment, just follow along with me. Okay, we're going to start with modified jumping jacks. And let's do it, just follow along. You have 1 minute on the clock. I hope everyone's having a great day. I know you've been maybe sitting in that chair for a long time. Maybe you're traveling, working hard. I know it feels good to get up and move. Halfway, you got 30 seconds left. I start to feel this in my arms near the end. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! All right. And we get into a jog in place. Jog in place. Now you can do whatever you want. You can jog in circles. I'm jogging in circles right now. You can jog forwards, backwards. You can do, you can dance a little, whatever you want. Just have fun. You don't have to be coordinated. You just gotta move. Yes. I'm throwing a little airplane action. Pretend you're an airplane, pretend you're a bird. I don't care. It's your get up and move session. You do whatever you want. Nice work. We're almost there. All right, last stretch. Jog, 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 jog. And done. Awesome. Hamstring curls next. Just copy me. You're going to squeeze your hamstrings on the way up. Now let's begin. We're going to do 20. That's 10. Halfway. And nice. Go ahead and touch your toes. Wiggle your legs out first. I'm going to have my feet shoulder width apart for this one. I like to wiggle my legs in this stretch. Good morning, hamstrings. Very good. Now we have some side-to-side lunges. Again, we're going to do 20 here. Nice. Now let's test your balance. We're going to do an arm stretch just like this. Balance on one foot and do some ankle rolls. Ankle rolls. And switch. Take a nice deep breath. And we're headed into our last move, the back twist. Just a classic. You make 10 good ones here. Nice and easy. Great work. Enjoy the rest of your day.